In this video, we are going to go over skill number 1, solving equations from our review skills pretest. So in question number 1, we're solving a two-step equation. Since I have a plus 4, the first thing that I want to do is subtract 4. Then this is 2 times x, so I'm going to divide by 2. And so my final answer will be that x equals 4. In our second question, we have some parentheses here, so I'm going to distribute or multiply the 3 times the x to get 3x, and the 3 times the 1 to get 3. Now in this example, I have variables on both sides. So the first thing I want to do is move either this 3x or the 4x. I always want to move my variable first. You can move the constant first, but it's a little bit easier if we move the variable first. So 3 and 4 are both positive, so I'm going to be subtracting. I'm going to minus the 3x. You could have also subtracted the 4x to the other side. It doesn't matter. I just will usually subtract the smaller number. So 4 minus 3 is 1. Well, I know that 1x is really just x. Then I have a minus 7 here, so to move to the other side, I'm going to add 7. And so my final answer is going to be that 10 equals x, or x equals 10.